All Pro Exterior Services here again. Nice little end of the day project. We're gonna hit this pool decking with the soft wash. It's not too much. We're gonna hit that rear patio. Gonna tag this roof. You see all the vegetation. They're gonna do a bunch of landscaping here in the next week or two. So getting set up. They already had everything moved, which is great. Got the little giant, which by the way I really like. And we're gonna hit this driveway and walkway. Let me show you guys. So you can tell somebody's been out here already, hit it with a wand. So we're gonna come clean it up and hit the walkway, little walkway area, so not bad. So anyway, we're getting set up. Already got water filling the tank. We're gonna pull out the 12 volt. Already got the mix hooked up and ready to roll. All right, catch up in a sec. Peace. Set up our proportion. I got water all the way on. Soap about 3.5. We're gonna go about 4% on the SH. Full 12.5 just filled up. Soap tank is full, so we're good. Gonna be soft washing this 12 volt in the roof. We're gonna start with the roof. That way, if any stains still remain after we get done with some of this other stuff, then we can hit it real quick. But it shouldn't be too bad. And we're also gonna soft wash that pool deck. I'm not even gonna mess with it. So is what we're gonna do. Instead of running a pressure washer to water, which is a waste of fuel and everything else, I bought another hose, a Flexzilla hose. Here, Tony. You may want to do that. Unravel it before. Here's the knife. So we got a 75-foot Flexzilla with a Gilmore. We just hook up to here and just rinse as I spray the gutter. So I mean the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and start on this roof and get rolling. All right, guys. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. What I'm doing here, I forgot we had to catch this back gutter too, so we're doing that too. Tony's on that job right now. But anyway, we're gonna spray this with a soft wash. So I'm just kind of wetting that vegetation a little bit on the sides. Using a water hose, ain't using a pressure washer, trying to conserve on fuel. We just filled up again. It's 40, 50 bucks every time I turn around with it, but it's all right as long as we put it in the project. So we're gonna use this, decided to start using this a little bit more often. A 75-foot Flexzilla with the Gilmore, hook up to a house. It all needs a little bit of water, so we'll be golden. Again, just trying to catch some of this vegetation so we don't kill it. And I'm gonna drop my mix down to about a 3%. All right, guys, Tony's almost done. Catch up with you. Peace. Guys, on the side of the roof here, got the 12 volt running, working good today. Just gonna let this hit the top part of this roof. Let it drain down with that slow-mo. And then I got this little Ryobi tip, but it's finicky, man. I mean, like, you barely turn it. Well, didn't even do nothing that time, but let's try it again. Sometimes you barely turn it. It goes in a deep fan mode. Oh yeah, look at that. Still got a little wind and the AC's on, which doesn't help. But I'm just trying to get a little bit going here because we're gonna clean out these gutters real quick. All right, guys, catch up in a minute. All right, peace. Heading soft wash the pool deck with a 2.5, 3%. Looking good. Look at that roof, boy. Oh, look at that roof. Sticking now. Prime time. They're gonna see some good rain. You're gonna see some dirty roof. All that looks good, and I don't see any spots that I need to come back. And of course, we're hitting this side right now. I'm letting Tony catch some of that gutter. We're hitting that. We're using a 4%. What you need? Water hose. And we're using a 4% with about a 3.5, 4 on a surfactant. So I'm about done this job. And by the way, I upsold them on letting me just clean the gutters with a downstream. Oh yeah. Another C note. And of course, we saturated the area where the gutters. Of course, there's no vegetation here. You can see here it's coming out nasty, but there's no vegetation here. But we went ahead and pre-soaked anyway in case it's a little ditch area that's running out. But yeah, came out very satisfied, very happy. That's what we do, baby. Picked up a few more today just from seeing this, so it's good. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up. I'm gonna try to let it dry a little bit so I can get some photos and call it a wrap. Peace. House. Just unloaded the trailer. We are done. Went well. Took a little longer than I wanted. We were off our game a little bit, but that's okay. We got it done. Beast worked great. We didn't run it too much today, so let me see. Let me check the fuel. Oh yeah, we still got full tank, so we're good. Bleach wise, we had 50 gallons. Let's see what we did, or what we used. Oh, about 12 gallons. And 12 gallons consist of doing a roof job, or two sections of the roof, the back and the side, and also downstreaming the gutters, and post-treating, or pre-treating, post-treating the driveway and patio. So that worked out, and the pool area. So we didn't use much bleach at all. Anyway, good ticket. Got 2 more today, so they keep coming in, which is good. We're blessed, and yeah, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Talk to you soon. Peace.